Welcome to Travel Food Wine. Today, we're diving into the heart of Sichuan cuisine, unraveling the secrets of a quintessential ingredient, traditional Sichuan chili oil. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey as we guide you through the art of crafting this aromatic elixir that adds the perfect kick to your dishes. From the selection of the finest ingredients to the precise techniques passed down through generations, join us as we demystify the process of making authentic Sichuan chili oil. Let the aromatic spices and rich flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Chengdu. So, grab your apron and let's spice things up together in the kitchen. Let's get started. This chili oil is totally addictive. If you like chili, then this is the one you need to add to your kitchen arsenal. First, we are going to heat up a little bit of neutral tasting oil such as peanut oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, or corn oil. My preference is peanut oil as it seems to just complement the end result. Peanut oil actually has a neutral flavor even though it's a peanut oil. Light olive oil can also work, but it has a lower smoke point and a tendency to harden in the refrigerator. These days, avocado oil is also becoming a popular healthy oil option, but you're better off saving that for other applications, as it holds up well, but has a tendency to set in the refrigerator, albeit not as intensely as olive oil will. Now, while that oil is heating up, let's talk about chili. This is a wonderful Asian chili powder. An Asian chili powder is what you want for this kind of chili oil because as you can see we have a nice blend here of chili seeds and the chili powder itself. You may find that supermarkets stock products that contain a lot of seeds, which is not ideal for this purpose. Look for an Asian chili powder that has a nice mix of seeds and powder. If not, just blend some chili flakes with a fine powder. Put the Asian chili powder into a heat-proof jar and set it aside for later. Now, let's put together the other flavorings. You will need some Sichuan peppercorns, some cardamom pods, star anise, a cinnamon stick, preferably cassia cinnamon, and some dried bay leaves. If you want a bit more flavor and complexity, you can also add 3 additional spices, dried sand ginger, and cloves. Put the ingredients into a warm pan and heat them up so that you release all their oils and flavors. Keep that pan moving so you don't burn any of your spices. Once you can see those little tendrils of smoke and the spices smell fragrant, remove the pan from the heat and put the spices into the oil that's been warming up. You want this oil to continue heating and really infuse itself with all those beautiful aromatics. You want the oil to be slowly bubbling away around the spices. You really need to watch the heat here because you don't want the spices to burn. You just want them to infuse the oil. So keep the temperature down fairly low and you can just hear a slight sizzle. Take it off the heat and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Now before you add the oil to your chili powder, just add in a little bit of salt. Strain the oil carefully into your jar or a heat-proof bowl. Add in some of those larger whole spices left in the pan. Put in a bay leaf, that cinnamon stick and just 2 pieces of star anise. Give it a little stir. Wow, that smell is so good. You will smell the Sichuan peppercorns and all those lovely aromatics. Now that will keep almost indefinitely in your pantry. Let it cool down before you put the lid on. You will find stacks of recipes using this chili oil on my YouTube channel. And there you have it, your own batch of traditional Sichuan chili oil. We hope this aromatic journey has infused your kitchen with the vibrant flavors of Sichuan cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Food Wine for more culinary adventures and delightful recipes from around the world. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!